Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of DeFi for busy people. Today we're going to talk about SpookySwap, that is one of the biggest DEXs into the DeFi ecosystem of Fantom. Let's have a look on it. And this is the typical DEX that we know if you have ever used any DeFi platform. The first feature is the swap feature, and what is nice is that it is allowing you to buy at a market price, so just using the actual price, or you can also add like a limit order, so you can decide the price at which you wanna buy a certain kind of token. You can also add liquidity to the different pool that are part of this kind of platform, and you can find the position that you have open here on My Position. Once you have deposited your liquidity, you can start farming. So it means that you can deposit, you can stake the LP tokens that you are receiving in exchange of the liquidity you have provided. Here you can find all the different pools with their APR. Remember that APR means not compounded. The earnings are paid into the XBOO tokens, that is the token of the SpookySwap platform. What is really nice by the SpookySwap, and is one of the main features that I love from them, is the staking feature. The staking feature is a multiple step process, because the first step, it is allowing you to stake your XBOO in order to start earning rewards that right now is around 20%, and they will give you some xBOO. But what is nice that you can restake also your xBOO in order to start increasing and leveraging also them and earning some more rewards. For example, right now, through some partners, they are offering the possibility to stake your xBOO in order to start earning some, for example, some WFTM, but also some spell, that is the token of Abracadabra, that is quite hot at the moment, and so on. Pay attention that these kind of opportunities are time limited. It means that you have to be aware in what kind of moment they will be ending. So you will be able to come back to the SpookySwap platform in order to unstake them and to choose maybe another platform in order to continue earning the APR that you are looking for. So what we can say about the SpookySwap platform? It is a platform that is offering you a really nice interface, and it is becoming a point of reference for the whole Fantom ecosystem. As you can see from the DeFi Llama, the SpookySwap platform is right now into the 4th position, just behind AnySwap, that is like a bridge, Guys, that is a money market where you can supply and borrow money, Cure, that is one of the most famous platforms in the whole crypto space, and SpookySwap, that is continuously growing, as you can see from their total value locked that right now has just reached the 700 million. And as you can see, the growth is constant and is reaching always a higher level. So if the Fantom ecosystem will continue to grow, also the SpookySwap platform will grow, because it is really the point of reference of the whole DeFi ecosystem of Fantom. Let's try to summarize what we have said. We are talking about the biggest DEX on Fantom, at least when we are talking about pool possibility to swap different tokens, providing liquidity and receiving and farming some rewards. It is offering a powerful double staking opportunity, and it is working to integrate every day more platform. That's quite important, because the SpookySwap is becoming the center. Also, all the new tokens that are just launching there through an IDO or whatever, they are all listing on SpookySwap, at least when we are talking about the Fantom ecosystem. So SpookySwap has really the potentiality to become the biggest player, one of the biggest players into the Fantom ecosystem. Obviously, the success of SpookySwap is related to the success of the Fantom blockchain. Remember that this kind of platform is not a high risk platform because it's quite, let's say, a traditional kind of DEX, but it doesn't mean that it is completely free of risk. We can say that it's a mid risk, and I'm saying mid risk and not low risk because we are talking about a quite new blockchain and an ecosystem that is still under development. So the journey is still quite long. So always don't go all in. Don't just ignore the risk because you love the platform. That's quite normal because we are human and we have this tendency to fall in love with something, but just follow your strategy and be aware of the opportunity, because yes, that could be an opportunity, but also of the risk. Guys, as always, if you have any kind of question, just write me in the section below, and remember to leave me a big thumbs up, and if you want to also drop a comment, I would be more than grateful, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye guys!